It happens to be World Mental Health Day.
And this impacts everything from physical health to relationships. Dr. V has you covered as always. She is here to talk about how many people are struggling and how exactly you can find help. I know you have some messages you really want to get across today.
Yeah, well, with World Mental Health Day, what we all need to realize is that it doesn't just impact your emotions, okay? 1 out of 5 people will experience a mental health issue every single year. So look around, you're in good company. This affects everybody. The other part of it is to make sure that you are looking at things early and catching them early. Don't be dismissive of any mental health issues or disturbances. Most mental health issues do develop by the time you're 24. Of course, that can go later in life as well. But definitely early help is key. The other thing is that if you're looking at this in terms of like, I can control my emotions, I'm very even-keeled, just remember it's so much more than that. And mental health issues can cause disruptions in the billions because it'll affect relationships, affect careers. Of course, it's going to impact your health, your physical health. We've talked about that often here, thank goodness. So yeah, there's a lot for everyone to learn about and to be mindful of on World Mental Health Day.
It really affects every area of life. I feel like we've come a long way with breaking the silence. We have famous people who talk about mental health. I mean, it really seems like it's hammering that stigma down. But do you still feel that there are some people who don't want to seek help because they don't want to be put in a box, so to speak? Or
funnily enough, I find that people are much more open about, like, I take medications. Which is great. I love that there are options out there. It's not for everyone, but for those that it really helps, it's amazing. But what they're still not really talking about is therapy. So break that silence. If you go to therapy, shout it from the rooftops. Be proud that you are proactive in doing something, again, that can cause damages in the billions for our economy. And of course, for your relationships. Houston Relationship Therapy wants to commemorate and celebrate World Mental Health Day by offering everyone who books their first session with us today, all day long, we'll give $50 off your first session.
Nice.
And I have to say happy 70th birthday to my mom. Mommy, I love you, love you, love you. Yes, the best 70-year-old out there.
I love that. Happy birthday to her. Precious mom.
Yes.
We'll get you a therapist, not your mom, but
oh no, I'm sure she could handle that too. Yeah, for sure.
Get you a good therapist. All right.
Coming up next, dressed in our best to fight childhood cancer. A doctor is here to talk about how money raised helps with advancements at Texas.